Hi, this is Sierra Dunaway, Product Marketing Manager for Sabre Red 360. Thank you for watching this video on hardware requirements for Sabre Red 360. This video is designed to help you compare your hardware specifications with the technical requirements. Technology experts recommend upgrading your hardware every 3 to 5 years to take advantage of the latest and greatest technology on the market. In Sabre Red 360, the latest innovations include a modern consumer-grade user interface, or the option to switch into classic blue styling with access to shortcuts, insider tips, and extra information used to consult for your traveler, regardless of styling choice. You'll also get access to industry-leading content like air shopping, new distribution capability, content, as well as content services for lodging. And the workspace is customizable to include custom workflows and unique content in multiple new ways using the Sabre Developer Toolkit. Let's get you started by taking a look at your hardware requirements in order to take advantage of all of those great benefits. You might have a different operating system, but I'm going to show you 2 examples of ways to get the information that you need to jot it down in order to compare it to what we have for technical requirements. The first option you can use is go down to the bottom left-hand corner, click on the Windows icon, find the computer section, right-click, and click on Properties. This will take you to the system information, which includes operating system, processor, random access memory, and system type. Alternatively, you can click on the Windows icon and click Control Panel. Find System, and that will take you to the same exact screen with all that information to show what you're working with. For bandwidth, you can either perform an internet speed test or check with your service provider to find the information that you need. Updated technical requirements are included on agency e-services, so let's take a look. You can type in the address, sabrered360.com/resources, as a shortcut to get to this lovely product page here. Scroll down, take a look at the support section and technical requirements. Here you'll find the supported operating systems. Please note that Windows XP is not supported. You'll see CPU, memory for each operating system type, and connectivity, optimal, and minimum recommended values. Please do a quick comparison to ensure that you're meeting at least the minimum in order to experience the best performance on Sabre Red 360. Now that you have reviewed the technical specifications, the next step is to prepare to test. You can request access and watch the next video that reviews our recommendations for testing. You can also sign up for training. We have multiple options available to you that are live interactive sessions with a training expert. And then finally, if you haven't done so already, please request your upgrade date down to the specific date through your account manager or through agency e-services. Thank you for taking the time to prepare for your upgrade. We look forward to supporting you through this transition.